Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your language on Google Assistant. Alright guys, first of all, open your Google application on your phone. Then you're going to tap on your profile right here on the top right corner of your screen. Then select the settings option. After the settings has been opened, you can scroll down until you find the Google Assistant option. Tap on the Google Assistant. Then since we want to change the language, you can tap on the languages. So you can select the language for speaking to your assistant right here. Okay, and here as you can see that I'm using English language and I'm going to change it. We can tap on it. Then I'm going to select Indonesia. Okay, and now the Google Assistant language has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change language on Google Assistant. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.